Hello friends, today we discuss how we can convert an array into cluster and a cluster into array. For that purpose, I just create a cluster over here. So let's say this is my input cluster, and in this there are numeric 1, numeric 2, numeric 3 and numeric 4, and I want to just arrange these values vertically. So as you see, this is my input cluster, because in LabVIEW there are many more functions for the arrays operation as compared to cluster operations. So it is often required to change array to cluster or cluster to array. So this is my input cluster as you see over here, and I want to just change this cluster to an array. So over here, this is my cluster to array. Just connect this, and over here, this is my input array. Not input array, this is my changed cluster to array. So as you see, 0 0 0. Right now, I just put the values. So as you see over here, 12, 56, 78, 78, or you can say this is 58. Okay, so over here this is my cluster, there is my output is my array, and if you want to again convert this array to an cluster, or again over here this is a function array to cluster. This is my input array, and over here this is my output cluster. So when I hit on run button, as you see, 12, 56, 57, 78. So it depends on this. So when I hit on run button again, so this is my how we can change cluster to array and array to cluster. If this function, this cluster to array and array to cluster, only useful for same type of data, like if we have a cluster of different type of data, let's say there is a cluster and I want to put over here numeric, then this is boolean. In that case, it cannot convert this boolean or numeric to array, because I know array supports the same type of data, but in this cluster there is a different type of data. So I want to just check out this. So if I just drag and drop this cluster over here and I want to connect this again over here, you can check this is not done. Okay, so if you want to remove this, delete this array, the broken array goes, and if I want to just put a blank array into this, as you see over here, again it will show me broken arrow. Polymorphic terminal cannot accept this type of data. It will take the same type of data only, because the output is an array. So this is how you can work out with conversion from cluster to array and array to cluster. Thank you.